Hi there, students. Spartan. An adjective. I guess you could use the adverb Spartanly. And even maybe a noun, Spartanness. Okay, Spartan means something that doesn't have any extra frills. Yeah. Something that's simple with no extra comfort. So the living conditions were very Spartan. Yeah, he lives very Spartanly. He has a very Spartan lifestyle with almost no luxuries and almost no extra comforts. A Spartan meal of bread and water. Austere, yeah, without any extras. Characterized by austerity and lack of comfort. Frugal. Yeah, hard or harsh. Okay, so particularly a Spartan lifestyle, very strict. Yeah, with nothing extra. The house was very Spartan but functional. Yeah, it had the basic things you needed, but there wasn't anything more than just that. Yeah, okay, so Spartan. Yeah, this comes from the place Sparta in ancient times. The Spartans came from Sparta. Yeah, I think this is a place on the Greek peninsula. I would be happy for more information on that from you. Okay, because the ancient Spartans were famous for these qualities, yeah, characterized by self-denial, yeah, only the basic things that you need. Yeah, so the Spartan soldiers vowed to fight to the death. But here we use it lacking decoration, lacking luxury, only the absolute basics. Yeah, if you've got no money, you need to live Spartanly. Yeah, you haven't got money for anything else. Okay, so Spartan. Maybe if you're a hermit, you could live a Spartan lifestyle. Yeah, without frills, without extras. Yeah. Okay, also, just as an aside, there's actually a type of apple called a Spartan as well. Yeah? So, Spartan, this is a great word to use in an essay. He always dresses very Spartanly in dungarees or in a boiler suit and nothing else. Yeah? The landscape of the desert looked very Spartan with no trees and just sand itself. Okay, so Spartan, simple with no creature comforts, not particularly comfortable. Yeah, so it's the military camp had a Spartan way of life. Hard beds, hard work, no TV, no internet. Yeah. Okay, so if something is Spartan, it has the absolute minimum, but no more. So, formality. That's a good question. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, lacking decoration, lacking extras, not luxurious, not ornate, just plain and simple. Yeah, with the very minimum that you might need. Yeah, Spartan accommodation is cheap and cheerful, perhaps. Yeah, the Spartan budget we had would exactly cover what we would need at the very minimum. Okay, so use it anywhere. It's a good word to use. Yeah, the place was decorated Spartanly. He's known for his Spartanness. Yeah, he doesn't like to spend money on extras. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Spartan.